Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Tubi Toys, and today with my awesome assistant,
Tubi.
Can you say hello, Tubi?
Hello, Tubi.
Hey guys, today we are opening up the GameStop and Summer Convention exclusive Disney Tsum Tsum set featuring Tim Burton's A Nightmare Before Christmas. They're celebrating 25 years since the movie came out. I saw this movie in the movie theater. Oh my gosh, I feel so old. So it's been like a real long minute since we opened up anything new related to Tsum Tsum. As you know, if you're a big fan of our channel and you've been watching for a long time, we started out collecting Series 1 Disney Tsum Tsum. So opening up this new exclusive set is a nice way to get us back into Tsum Tsum because we're still waiting to find Series 11. If you found Series 11 in stores, let us know in the comments below. Before I begin though, I just want to ask you guys, who has Twitter, who has Instagram, who has Facebook? If you have any one of those social media platforms, please follow at Tubi Toys on Instagram and Facebook, and at Tubi_Toys on Twitter. We're also on Snapchat at Tubi Toys, but I don't really use it that often. I don't know how to use it. I'm like an old fart. So if you are on there, be sure to follow us there because I have a huge giveaway that was supposed to be done for our 5,000 subscribers when we reach that milestone, and I just totally missed it. I have so many Incredibles 2 toys to give away. It's not even funny. So please follow us there and stay tuned. I will be hosting the giveaway through social media, not through YouTube.
I was going to say that those heads, they get off. You could take them off and mix and match them. And this part, and the wheels move, and the top of the car opens up.
Very good. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Tubi Toys. If you haven't already, ring that notification bell and follow us on our social media so you could find out when we're going to have that huge Incredibles 2 back to school giveaway. It's going to be really, really soon. So let's get started. Open this up. This is an amazing set. It has a really, really cool box. The color, the lettering is like almost like holographic, even though it's just like a shiny foil. Really, really nice. The packaging's really cool. On the back of the box, you can see that the vehicle, the hearse, is in motion. There are real working wheels. It comes with a large Jack Skellington, and what's really cool, a first of its kind, we have a removable face for the mayor. As you know, if you're a fan of Nightmare Before Christmas, the mayor has two different expressions. So yes, he has a smiley face and like a surprised weird face. So we see two of his happy and sad expressions. At first of its kind. So we're actually going to see what's inside of a Tsum Tsum hollowed out. That's really cool. I always wanted to cut a Tsum Tsum open. Everybody does those cutting open videos, and I'm totally turned off by them. But I wanted to cut open a Tsum Tsum and see what was inside. If you want to see that, let me know, and I'll see if I can get some duplicates to cut it open. Let's open this up and take a closer look of this set. I bought this at GameStop.com. I actually bought an extra one for a future giveaway. I'm thinking of doing it around, not Christmas, Halloween. And we'll have an extra one to give away for you guys. And you could order it now on GameStop. It was actually $11 and something cents, like under 12 bucks. So you grab that now. Order it online. You'll have to pay shipping, but you know what? You don't have to go with the headache of looking for it in store. Wow, this looks so cool just like that, right?
Yeah, we should keep the background.
Okay, let's keep the background. Let's take these dudes out.
And actually, guys, I think the horn comes off of the car.
No, I don't think so. It's stuck on the car. But the roof comes off.
Yeah, the roof. That's what I was going to say.
Oh, wow. Look at the real working wheels. And let's see the roof come off. Oh, cool.
Yeah, so
cool. Look at, even the top comes off. Wow, this is like totally like all different pieces. I love this. And look at the spider detail.
It looks like a tow truck now.
Yeah, it does look like a tow truck. Look at the bottom. So at least this part isn't like removable. And look at the hood ornament. It's a black Halloween cat, a spooky cat. And we have the roof right here. I love the fencing on top. Look at that detail. Really, really, really cool. The horn, and we could pull the horn and go. Oh, this is not a horn. He speaks into this, right?
Oh.
He drives you around town, so talking to everybody. And let's put this back together. It's always inevitable that something falls. This is so cool. Look at the mayor. He is a new Tsum Tsum. And he even has his mayor badge right over here. Super cool. He has a spider tie. I love the clasp that they put for the suit jacket. Really, really cool. And let's get a close-up look of the face that we're going to switch out. So this is the first time we're going to be doing this for our Tsum Tsum. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take off his face. Okay, so it's not totally hollowed out just at this point here. So I think cutting open up a Tsum Tsum would actually be really, really cool. I wonder if it's like one piece mold or like hollowed out. They don't feel like they're hollow. This one kind of does though.
They feel like they're really hard.
Yeah.
They feel like...
Oh, look at him. He changed his face. This is so cool. And it was so easy to do.
Yeah.
So you could switch out the face anytime you want. I wish we had like a lot of switchy ones. We could switch out their faces. Wouldn't that be a cool video?
Yeah, but do you know what? Do you know what I want? I want them to have another contraption. I want them to have two circles so both of them could go on. So you could you still take the faces off, but like do this. And
yeah, like turn them around, right? Like have this part hollowed out too, and then he could do that. Yeah, they could do that, but they would look kind of funny. This is actually a pretty cool concept, but I like your idea too. Really, really, really cool. And now, if you don't have Jack Skellington, the large one, here he is. He comes with that set. He's really, really cool. He has a really awesome bat tie. I love his pinstripe suit. Super duper cool.
The bat tie is his bow tie.
That's right, his bow tie. That's right. He's awesome. Now, if you got the Walgreens set, which I have an extra one, I should do a giveaway also for that.
Yeah.
Because this one glows in the dark.
Yes.
Really cool. Now we're going to put our Tsum Tsum Mayor inside. Let's give him this face. And have him stroll around Pumpkin Town, or Halloween Town rather. Now Jakks Pacific had this concept of Tsum Tsum City, where there were little towns for the Tsum Tsums. And so far,
we did not get the Ariel set.
Right, we don't have the Ariel set.
It hasn't even come out yet.
It has, but we don't have it.
Oh. Watching it.
Ready?
Finally.
Oh.
I think it goes on here.
Wow.
Hi, my name is Pumpkin Patch. I drive around my car. Do 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 do.
It's only front wheel drive. All four wheels do not move. Well, there you have it. We have the exclusive Mayor figure with our Nightmare Before Christmas set, GameStop exclusive. I definitely recommend getting this set for any Tsum Tsum collector if you are one, only because of this amazing change out face expression accessory and this movable accessory. It's really, really cool, and for the price you can't beat it. I also have the Marvel Gauntlet Tsum Tsum set coming. They actually forgot to put it in my box, so I'm fighting with GameStop right now. Let's take another look at this amazing box. We have Lock, Shock, and Barrel on the side. We have Zero and this amazing foil Tsum Tsum logo.
It's black on the side since it's Nightmare Before Christmas and it's Halloween. Nightmares mean like bad dreams.
That's right. Sally over here and Jack. Really, really, really awesome. Are you going to get this set? Let us know in the comments below. What do you think of the removable face for the mayor? I think it's a really cool idea. I'm happy that they're still innovating and still inventing cool new ways to display our favorite characters from Disney, Marvel, and Pixar. This is so awesome.
You should definitely get the movie, and you should definitely watch the emojis.
Yes, the emoji is really, really cool, the short.
Yeah, but the emojis are like short, but the movie of it is not short.
That's right.
So you should definitely watch both of them because they're super cool.
Well, let us know what you think of this video in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys.
Have a great have a Halloween nightmare day. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Yeah, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Ah.